Hey guys, it's me again with another Canva tutorial, and for today's video, I will teach you how to edit or change the colors of the clothes of a person or anything in Canva. So first of all, we just create a new page. So we can just choose from the templates here, maybe find the person. So let's say we have a person here. So what we were gonna do first is we go to click on this person. Then we press edit. After pressing edit, we go to the tools here and we can see magic edit. So we just click on magic edit. So upon clicking magic edit, we can just select a brush here. So get the brush size if it's so we're gonna brush his cloud color. So if you want the thinner brushes here. So we brush here, take a brush here as well. So there's a clothes here. Carefully brush here and align it with the clothing of the person. So afterwards, if you want to change the color to blue, then we just press change the cloth color or the color. Press generate. So magic edit will just edit here. Just waiting for it to edit the scenarios here. So we can see that the color of the shirt of the man was changed into blue. So that's how easy for is to change a color of something in Canva using a magic edit. Once again, thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell button for more Canva tips and tricks to come.